People around here go crazy for this Avon Skin So Soft, especially in the summertime when all the extra bugs are out, like mosquitoes and ticks. People even use it on their pets, like horses and dogs, to keep the bugs off of them as well. Avon just changed the packaging, so it looks a little different, but this has been a bestseller for Avon since the 1960s. It has jojoba oil in it. I love to use it in my baths. I just pour a capful in and it gets my skin so hydrated. I also love to pick up these spray bottles. They're glass in bulk on Amazon, and I'll pour this into these little bottles and keep them in different places around my house. So I can spray it on my skin after I get out of the bath or shower, and it's super hydrating. Or you can take these camping or wherever with you, so if you want to use them as the bug repellent. But these are also super fun to gift. I've also seen online there's lists of so many different uses for this oil, so you should definitely check it out while it is in stock because it flies off the shelf.